Evening folks, we're on here to do the draw for the wee scrambler and the toolbox. Let a few more jump on there. So we just launched 50 grand there a couple of hours ago. It's going on Sunday no matter what. We're on an early bird ticket price of $14.99. Now that ticket price will go up to £20, but well, the early bird I'll be on here now for a wee while, and once we sell enough tickets in the early bird then we'll put it up. But if we keep the ticket price, it's definitely going to go up anyway. If we keep the ticket price at what it is at the minute, we'll lose money on it. So just if you want to jump on, grab your ticket for the early bird because it will be in soon. $14.99. The PS4 bundle up there, Apple bundle. The Tang tools there we launched today. Tang tools with a launch lift. It's flying out the door there. It's only launched a few hours ago as well. If you want to jump on, grab a ticket for a hit. Brilliant setup for any garden or any garage. Lucky 52 goes tomorrow, same time. So we'll start off with the wee scrambler and then we'll go on and do the box. Just didn't fully sell out the wee scrambler, but near enough. If we manage to land the number it didn't sell, we'll just go to get a winner. So you get a few clear pit bikes or clear scramblers, something like that. We'll go ahead with the draw, folks. Time and date. 1 minute to 10, Wednesday 2nd December 2020. Put out of the range, want to go from 999. There we go, Emma Young, clear bike. Good woman, Emma. 2 more clears and we'll go ahead. Here we go, Jamie Finnegan, clear bike. Good man, Jamie. More, that's us ready to go. There we go, clear moral, clear bike. Right folks, once I hit generate here now, that's the winner of the scrambler. Thank you and good luck everyone. Lucky number 321. We have a winner, first clip, Randeep Kundi. Congratulations Randeep. We'll be in touch here now straight after this wee video. I'll just double check. Alright, 321 Randeep Conde. Congratulations, we'll be in touch, as I say, straight after this video. We'll move on to the tools. I think they're fully sold out this morning, if I mind right. 99p. So again, if we get a few clear tools or something along them lines, folks, we'll go ahead with the draw for a hit. Few clicks now, put it out of the range. 895. Jordan McNulty, clear tools, clear moral, clear tools, brilliant. One more folks. 1, 2, 895. There we go, Charlene Douglas, clear tools. Right folks, once I hit generate here now, that's the winner of the toolbox. Thank you and good luck everyone. Lucky number 503. 503. You reset there to one for 99p. 503 is Conor Toner. Congratulations Conor. We'll be in chat here now straight after this video. Double checker. 503 Conor Toner. Congratulations, you've won the toolkit. And congratulations to Randeep Conde for winning the scrambler. We'll be in touch as well straight after this wee video. Folks, anybody that wasn't watching at the start, we launched £50,000. There's an early bird price on it of $14.99. Now that price will be going up. If you do the maths on it, $14.99 multiplied by the interest we're doing, we'll be losing money on it when we take our bank fees and our advertising costs out of it. So the price will be going up. If you want on it $14.99, jump on now, as the ticket price will be going up to $19.99. Well, that's us for tonight, folks. I'll chat to you all tomorrow. Thank you and good luck.